Hello guys, welcome to Kamak channel. This is Elvis. Now let me introduce you about this oil press machine. This machine model number is 165. It is equipped with a 30 kilowatts motor, and for every hour it can process 800 kg oil props. So let's take an overall view of it. Firstly, this is the hopper where we feed the material inside. And you can see on top of the hopper, we have a device here. This is the force feeding device. It is used to force feeding the material into the squeezing system. Because some material, because of their size and shapes, it's not going through very smoothly. So with a force feeding device, we can solve this problem. And here we can see a big wheel. We will connect the motor to this wheel, and this wheel will drive the big gearbox. The motor speed is around 1,440 RPM. From the big wheel and the gearbox, finally we will have 35 to 40 RPM on the squeezing shaft. So besides the gearbox, we have the main squeezing system. The squeezing system is made of three parts. Firstly is the squeezing cage, and inside the cage we have the rings, and inside the rings we have the screw propeller. So the material will go into the space between the propeller and the squeezing cage. So the material will be squeezed and the oil will flow out. Later on we will have a cover on top of this, and we will have an oil plate to catch the oil at the bottom of the squeezing system. So from here we will have the crude oil, and the oil cakes will go through all along to the end of the oil press machine. And there is a slide design. So the oil cakes will fall onto the slide, and the slide will lead the material to this end of the machine. So from here we will have a screw conveyor which will lift the oil cake to the higher position, which is easier for us to do the package of the oil cakes. And we can see another device which is like a steering wheel. This is for adjusting the pressure of the oil press machine. By adjusting the steering wheel here, we can have different thickness of the oil cakes. The thicker the oil cake is, the smaller the pressure will be. So this is basically what the machine is made of. If you have further questions, please contact our sales team. Thank you very much.